see. Can you help me?
Help you. Fight.
As long as it doesn't come near us, we're gonna be okay.